There is an elephant in the room, and it is called simultaneous translation software. And if it doesn't threaten our immediate jobs, it certainly might make our children's prospects as English language teachers somewhat questionable.
Are you going to steal my job?
I don't have the answer to that. Is there something else I can help you with?
No, that's all right, thanks. Well, lots of researchers are trying to find the answer to that. Many jobs are in jeopardy due to the rise of artificial intelligence, the fourth industrial revolution, lots of automation going on. Is English language teaching going to be part of that? Scott Thornbury thinks that's a possibility over the coming years. Maybe not just yet, but it's on the horizon. I kind of disagree. I think even with this technology, there is something AI does not have and may not ever have, and that's the power of human connection between people, that electricity, that spark that lights up only between people, or at least at the moment. So join us on June 22nd in Busan, Gwangali Beach. I can't wait to conduct this workshop. I think it's going to be very useful, very interesting, and I really hope you can make it. Hope to see you there.